Welcome to how to earn money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating and selling printable wall arts. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So on Etsy, one of the most popular things that sell is digital wall arts. So you can make your own wall art from home and sell it on Etsy, Shopify, or do custom ones on freelancing websites like Fiverr and more. So how does that work? You will choose the type of wall art that you want to make, then you will search for it. I will search for funny wall art poster. As you see, then there's a lot of templates that will pop up to you. I will choose this one. Then click on Customize this template. As you see, you can delete the photo and add another photo of your own. You can change the text like I am a poster. And here, don't look at me. You can change the photos, the background color. Like here, I will change the background color to gray. And as you see, this is a totally new poster that I made. I can change the photos too. You can manipulate it as you like. Then download it from File, Download. You can download it as PDF, as you see here, PDF format or any other format. Then you can start selling your own printable wall arts. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.